Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to make an LED blink on and off. That means the LED will turn on for a set amount of time, then off for a set amount of time, repeating this pattern in a loop. Let's get started by preparing our sketch. First, create a couple of empty lines at the top of your sketch. Then, press Ctrl+// to add a comment and give your sketch a title. Below that, create another comment labeled Variables. We only need one LED for the circuit, so we'll declare a variable for the LED pin. Since a pin number is a whole number, we'll use the integer or int data type. Let's name it LED pin and set it to pin 3. Naming variables clearly helps you and anyone reading your code understand what's going on. Next, we want the LED to turn on, wait, then turn off. So we'll need a delay. We'll add another variable for the delay time and set it to 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. Now, let's move to the setup function. This runs once when the program starts. In here, we need to tell the microcontroller which pin we're using and what we're doing with it. Since we're sending power to the LED, we'll set the pin as an output using the pinMode function, which takes 2 arguments, the pin number or variable and the mode, output or input. Now in the loop function, we'll control the blinking behavior. This is where the code repeats. First, we turn the LED on by setting the pin high. Then we wait 1 second. After that, we turn it off by setting it low and wait another second. The digitalWrite function requires 2 arguments, the pin number or pin variable and either high or low. This loop will run forever, 1 second on, 1 second off. Let's verify and upload the code. If you get a board error like I did, it's likely you haven't selected the right board or port in the Arduino IDE. Go to Tools Board, type UNO, and select Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools Port, and select the port with USB in its name. Now click Verify again. If there are no errors, click Upload. Once it's done uploading, you should see your LED blinking, 1 second on, 1 second off. If your LED isn't working correctly, here are a few things to check. 1. LED orientation. Make sure the long leg positive goes to the resistor. The short leg negative should go to the GND pin on your Arduino. 2. Correct pin number. Double check that your variable matches the pin you actually used. 3. Resistor value. Use a 220 ohm resistor. If it's incorrect or missing, your LED might not behave properly. 4. Breadboard rows. Ensure the LED leg and resistor are in the same row. Make sure all connections are secure and go into the correct rows. 5. Bad LED. If nothing works, you may have a burnout LED. Try replacing it. If your LED is still not working as expected, you can see what your code is doing in the serial monitor. Open the serial monitor. First, add this line to setup serial.begin 9600. Then, inside your loop, add print statements. Serial.println LED on, above the delay DT, and below the LED pin low add. Serial.println LED off. Upload the code to your Arduino UNO. Now, when you open the serial monitor, you'll see the messages print in real time as the LED turns on and off. If you've tried everything and your LED still isn't blinking, don't worry. Contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen for help. And remember, try experimenting. Change values, move pins, and explore what happens. That's how real learning happens. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.